Number 1. Network cable tester. To use, check if the wires inside the internet cable are connected correctly. There is a light that indicates if the crimp, fault, or this line is broken. 2. Punch down tool. This used to connect wires to punch down blocks on patch panels or keystone jacks. It pushes the wire into the slot and cuts off the excess wire. Number 3. Two small screwdrivers for opening, installing network hardware such as routers, wall jacks, or patch panels. Next, crimping tool. This is used to crimp or attach the RG45 connector to the end of UTP cable. It breaks the metal pins of the connector to make contact with the wire strand inside the cable. 5. Crucial cable. Another type of cable tripper. This is one of more advanced and can be adjusted for crucial for UTP cable. As LAN cable. This is a plan unshielded twist pair UTP cable of internet cable used for connecting networking devices such as routers, switches, and computers.